This 2023 Jayco Jay Flight 324 BDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Brownstown Township, Michigan, 48192 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.